Let's look in on a pair of chestnut-backed chickadees. This hollowed-out old apple tree is a yearly nesting spot for chickadees. Breeding season starts in March or early April. The male chooses the nesting spot. First, they clear out all the spider webs from winter. The female then begins to build the nest. She gathers fur and moss, usually 50% of the material is fur. Either from deer, cow, cat, horse, rabbit, or other such animals. Our first glance of the little babies. The layer of fur is about a ½ inch thick. It is designed in a way that they can cover the eggs when the parents have to leave the nest. It takes the female 7 or 8 days to build the nest. A mother will lay 1 to 11 eggs. The incubation period is from 12 to 18 days. The mother continues to sit on her nest after the eggs have hatched for the next few days to keep these small bare fledglings warm until their feathers come in. Especially through the cold nights, she will be with her young. In the first few days after the eggs hatch, the parents take turns feeding the fledglings just about every 5 minutes. They work constantly as a team, bringing food in and disposing of waste on their way out. This keeps the nest tidy and clean. They feed their young spiders, inchworms, caterpillars, tiny scale insects, leafhoppers, aphids, wasps, and other such things. From sunup to sundown, these parents are always busy searching for food. These little guys need it. Each day they are growing and changing so much. Surprise, surprise, these little guys are hungry once again. Snoring away, each day that goes by, the nest gets just a little more cramped. They still have some more feathers to grow before they can fly away. Eating, sleeping, and preening is how these fledglings spend their day. Mama still protects them at night and keeps them warm. As each day passes and more feathers grow, they begin to look more and more like their parents. Preening is how a bird grooms itself, removing dust, dirt, and parasites from its feathers. They align their feathers to their proper place. The preen gland at the base of the tail produces an oily, waxy substance, which helps waterproof the feathers and keeps them flexible to handle the stress during flight. During the preening process, the bird will spread the oil all over its feathers with its beak. Stretch those wings out. Pretty soon you'll be using them to fly. When their beaks turn black, you know it's getting close to their departure. "18 to 21 days after hatching, the fledglings will fly away with their parents, who will continue to feed them until they learn to find food on their own.